that fuel change. Rick, do you know where the package to this job is? We can expedite parts from?
Yeah, run the spindle up. You know what RPM spindle this is? 10,000. 10,000, okay. And we're running what right now?
75.
Nice clear screen. That rubber cover has been replaced, but it exists. Nice clean cabinet. I put the books that they had in the cabinet. Parameters, hard copy, oil cooler manual. There's the oil cooler. Filter for the through the spindle coolant. Spindle lubrication, way lubrication, air.
I'm pretty sure we have extra filters for that too.
Oh, okay, good. All the pots are there. I can't see it through the thing.